Onboarding a new client can feel like spinning a dozen plates at once. You're collecting brand assets, sorting out contracts, gathering information, chasing logins, and trying to keep everything moving without overwhelming anyone. Done well, onboarding builds trust and creates momentum. Done badly, it leads to confusion, delays, and a rocky start that's hard to recover from. That's where onboarding software really helps. These tools take care of the repetitive admin so your team can focus on the strategic work clients actually hired you for. In this guide, we'll walk you through some key categories of onboarding tools and standout options for each. As we go, think about 4 things. How easy is it for your team and clients to use it and learn to use? Whether it scales with you, how well it integrates with the platforms you already use, and what it automates. Let's start with project management and client portals. Quick one before we start. If you're an agency, you probably need to get access to your clients' accounts, such as the social media accounts, their ads accounts, analytics, and so on. Getting the right access to these accounts is usually one of the most painful steps in your customer onboarding. And that's why we built Leadsie. With Leadsie, all you have to do is send your reusable access link to your clients. They log into their accounts, select the accounts to share, and you get the exact access that you requested. Leadsie has helped agencies onboard over 140,000 clients to date. So what are you waiting for? Try us out. Check the description for a link to sign up for a free trial. And now back to the content of this video. Project management tools are basically the backbone of client onboarding. They help you standardize your process, assign tasks, automate steps, and give everyone, team and client, a clear view of what's happening and when. SPP is built specifically for agencies and gives clients a clean, branded portal where they can see tasks, share files, submit information, and even view live analytics. If you run productized services or subscriptions and you want onboarding to feel consistent and polished, SPP is a great fit. ClickUp is like your all-in-one onboarding command center. Tasks, docs, whiteboards, chat, it's all under one roof. It's incredibly customizable, so if you want one workspace that carries a client all the way from signed contract through kickoff, ClickUp can do it. Asana takes a more streamlined approach. It's clean, simple, and great for clearly assigned tasks and deadlines without overcomplicating anything. If you want something easy for your team to understand right away, Asana works really well. Next up, let's talk sales handover. The gap between sales and delivery is where details often get lost. These tools help you carry everything from the sales process, notes, promises, assets, straight into onboarding without re-entering info or bugging clients with repeat questions. DashClicks bridges the gap between sales and delivery by automatically turning closed deals into onboarding workflows. Clients land in a branded portal and can start right away. It's especially helpful for smaller agencies that want everything from sales to fulfillment flowing into one ecosystem. HighLevel rolls CRM, communication, nurturing, and onboarding into one platform. Once a lead converts, it can trigger forms, scheduling links, follow-up messages, you name it. It's ideal if you want one system to run your whole pre-onboarding and onboarding process. If you're a WordPress agency, clientportal.io gives you a simple branded onboarding space directly on your own site. Clients log in, see their files, forms, and milestones. Just note, it only works if your site is on WordPress. You can have the best onboarding plan in the world, but nothing happens until the paperwork is signed. These tools speed up that part of the process and help you keep documents organized. PandaDoc makes the paperwork part feel quick and modern. You can build branded proposals or contracts, send them for signature, and track everything without the usual back and forth. DocuSign keeps things even simpler. It's a trusted, no surprises way to collect documents and collect signatures from any device. If you want fast, reliable, and industry standard, this is the one. Once contracts are signed, the real information gathering begins. Brand assets, strategy input, logins, and more. Without the right tools, this part turns into endless emails. These platforms make data collection smooth and structured. Typeform turns onboarding questionnaires into something clients actually enjoy filling out. It's conversational, visual, great for collecting brand details or project inputs in a friendly way. A little tip, if you're looking for a less pricey alternative, Jotform is a great choice as well. Formstack is for the teams that need something more robust. Beyond forms, it gives you workflows, approvals, validation, and even e-signatures built in. If your onboarding has multiple steps, this keeps everything organized. And if you're tired of chasing clients for assets, Content Snare is a lifesaver. It gives clients a simple portal to upload everything, files, brand assets, form answers, and sends gentle reminders so you don't have to. Now let's talk about the part of the onboarding that causes the most headaches, getting access to client accounts. And yes, this is where we'll slip in our tool, Leadsie, just being transparent. If you've ever tried to walk a client through adding you to their ad account or analytics, you know how messy it gets. They don't know where settings live, who the admin is. You end up sending long instructions, screenshots, or jumping on Zoom. This part alone can stall onboarding for days. Leadsie fixes that with one simple link. Your client logs in, clicks a button, and you get the access you need, securely without instructions or any technical setup. Agencies use it to remove one of the biggest onboarding bottlenecks and get campaigns live faster. Even with good tools, onboarding still has repetitive tasks. Updating CRMs, sending reminders, creating projects, assigning tasks. Automation tools handle this so your team doesn't have to. Zapier is great for stitching your tools together with thousands of integrations. It can create projects, send notifications, copy data, and trigger tasks the moment a client completes an action. Perfect if you want easy no-code automation. Make is similar to Zapier, but it's more visual and better for complex multi-step workflows, like syncing client data, preparing documents, or coordinating tasks across teams. For scheduling automation, check out Calendly. It keeps it simple. Clients pick a time, it handles time zones, integrates with yours and your team's calendars, and generates call links automatically. For a bootstrapped alternative, we recommend SavvyCal as well. At the end of the day, the best onboarding tools are the ones that match how your agency works. Look for tools that are easy for clients, grow with you, integrate with what you already use, and automate the repetitive steps. We hope this list helps. For a more in-depth overview, take a look at our article linked in the description below. If you want to test out Leadsie, you can sign up to a 14-day free trial using the link in the description or just visiting our website. Our role in the onboarding stack is simple. We remove one of the biggest bottlenecks, getting secure access to client accounts. Paired with the tools in this guide, you can build an onboarding flow that's streamlined, scalable, and genuinely enjoyable for clients.